Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another Photo Nation video. Hey, my name is Curly Marshall, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to the Nation. Hey, the Nation is just a family of photographers who trying to take their photography to the next level. So if you're new, come on in. And make sure you ride with us to the end of this video because I have a free gift just for you. It's our photography cheat sheet, and I'll tell you how to get it at the end of this video. Let's get it.
You are entering Photo Nation.
Alrighty, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this type of content. If so, please hit that like and subscribe buttons, and in the comments put I subscribe, your name, and the city you're viewing from. Hey, I'm giving away a few of my photography books, Mastering Light While Supplies Last. I'll pick a few new subscribers from the comments. You can see more details in the description. Also in the description, make sure you get my free photography cheat sheet for new photographers. Get it, download it, and use it, and I'll see you in the next video.